They simply open their mouths and wait. Today, agricultural pollution flowing from the land is beginning to suffocate this sea. Eden's whales depend on these fish. They swallow huge quantities of water before filtering out their prey. And with so few fish, the rewards from feeding like this are barely worth it. So, to survive here, the whales have developed a new hunting technique. They simply open their mouths and wait. With this ingenious new technique, Eden's whales have found a way to survive the pressures they now face. All across the planet, animals are having to adapt to a changing world.